Don't let these motherfuckers tell you these people criminals, man. They over here raiding schools and job sites, construction sites, and Home Depot and all this shit. Bitch, criminals don't go to work. You dumb, racist piece of shit motherfuckers. Criminals don't go to work. Criminals don't get up and go to work and pay their bills. Meanwhile, the real criminals, the people who really came over here illegally and came over here and didn't work, so what people came over here illegally? The people that came over here illegally and then got here and got their ass to work and they fucking do everything right, them ain't criminals, bro. There's actually people that came over here illegally and they over here scamming and robbing and stealing and doing real fucking crimes. But y'all ain't going after them. They still are out here. Don't let these pieces of shit fool you. We still have criminals on the streets because they're not going after criminals. They're going after the easiest targets, the people that are following the rules.